In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background color in Canva. Open your Canva document where you want to change background color. Click anywhere on white background or on the background of your current design, and this will select background layer. Once background layer is selected, look at the top left corner of Canva interface, and you will see an option labeled background color. Click on it. Color menu will appear, offering several options, such as you can choose from selection of pre-made colors. You can select from gradient options if you want a more dynamic background, or you can create a new color by clicking on plus button under new color, and here you can use color picker, or you can input code to create your own color. If you would like to use gradient background, you can select gradient option from color menu and choose between different gradient. You can customize it by selecting different colors. Once you've chosen or create color, it will automatically be applied to background. Canva will save your selected colors in the document color section, allowing to easily reuse them in the same design.